post has been created on my Facebook page and automatically on my Instagram, that post has been shared as a story. Yes, this is possible by building the connection between Facebook pages and Instagram. And do you need coding and programming skills for that? Not at all, because Pabbly Connect is here. You can build a connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new post is going to be created on your Facebook page, automatically it will be shared as an Instagram story. So if you want to learn the connection between these two applications, I am going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing automation will work in real time. Okay, let us create a new post on our Facebook page. Okay, I'm going to click on this photo button. Over here, this is the image that I have. So I'm going to select it and then open it from here. Okay, so this is the image that I have. Okay, now for the caption, I'm going to enter this caption right over here. Click on this next button and then I'll click on this post button to create a new post. Okay, I'm going to click on this next button and then I'll click on this post button to create a new post. Okay, and then automatically a post is going to be created on my Facebook page. Let us wait right here. And yes, if I'm going to scroll down, you can see right over here, this post has been created on my Facebook page with this caption. Okay, as now this post has been created, now I'm going to open my Instagram profile and check whether automatically an Instagram story has been added or not. So I'm going to open my Instagram from here and refresh the profile page from here. And you can see on my profile page, if I'm going to open this story that is added, and you can see on my Instagram profile, this story is now automatically added. And this is the same image that we have created as a post on my Facebook page. So now this is possible by building the connection between Facebook pages and Instagram without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So let's now learn how you can connect these two applications. Okay, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After I browse the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here in this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, now let us create this amazing automation. After coming to the Pabbly Connect's landing page, you will find two options in front of you. One is sign in, other one is sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account from here, but if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to get started. I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here. And then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, you can select the new beta method version from here. But if you want your workflow to be more stable and have a familiar approach, you can select the old classic method. Okay, I'm going to create this workflow using the new beta method. Firstly, we have to name our workflow. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as automatically share Facebook page post as Instagram stories. Okay, for the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select the workflows folder and click on this create button. A workflow is automatically going to be created. In Pabbly Connect, there are two major steps. One is trigger, other one is action for creating a workflow. Trigger and action are the two most important steps because they are the principles of the workflow creation. Okay, trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action steps in Pabbly Connect. We are going to set up a trigger step first, and for my trigger application, what I am going to do is I'm going to select over here as Facebook pages. I want that as soon as a new post is created in my Facebook page, I want this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected over here as Facebook pages and event as new post and click on this connect button. Over here, then we have to add a connection. First, you can select the existing connection that I've created before from here, but I'm going to add a new one. Over here it says connect with Facebook pages. I'm going to click on this button. Then it is asking for the permission. For that, I'm going to click on this continue button, and the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is successfully created. Now, why this was very simple to create the connection? Because on a new tab, I have already logged into my Facebook page. That is why the connection was super simple. Okay. Then we have to select a page on which we are creating the post, and we want the response should be captured of. I have created a Facebook page over here in the name of Natural Glow Skincare, and I want that as soon as a new post is created on this page, this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why over here for the Facebook page, I'm going to select it as Natural Glow Skincare. As I need the simple response, I'm going to toggle this button on and click on the Save and Send Test Request button. As soon as I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook pages is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, let us create a new post on our page. I'm going to upload a new picture right here. So this is the photograph. I'm going to upload it. Okay. Caption is skincare that cares for you and the planet. Organic, vegan, cruelty free. Shop now. Okay. So over here, this is the caption. Now I'm going to click on this next button and on the post button to create a new post. Okay. As soon as I'm going to do that, automatically a post is going to be created on my Facebook page. I'm going to wait over here and you can check out the post is successfully created. If I'm going to open my workflow over here and scroll down, you can see we have received the response of the new post when created. Status is success. Over here you can see this is the same caption that we have entered, and with that we have received multiple other details as well. We have received the link of this image as well. Now there is a problem. We cannot share this link that we have received right over here directly as an Instagram story. So now what we are going to do is, firstly, we are going to upload this file right over here using Pabbly File Uploader. So I'm going to add an action step in which from action application, I'm going to select over here as Pabbly File Uploader right over here, using which we can convert our file and have a URL. Okay. For the event, I'm going to select it as upload file and get URL, and then click on this connect button. We have to enter the file URL, the image URL that we have received. Now for the data of this field, I'm going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. As soon as you're going to click on any of the field, the previous step is going to appear in this manner. If you're going to click on it, the response that is captured is going to appear. Now this is the image URL that we have to upload. So I'm going to select the data of the image URL from my previous response. Now as I've selected this data from my previous response, this data right over here has been successfully mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Now we have to name our file. For the name of the file, I'm going to map the data of the name of my page dot I will write over here as JPG. Okay. Now after entering that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on this Save and Send Test Request button to get the URL. And over here we have received this URL, and if I'm going to copy this URL and open it in a new tab right over here, you can see this is the same image that we have created as a post. Now we have received this URL successfully. Now what we are going to do is, using this URL, let us create a story on our Instagram profile. Add an action step in which from action application, I'm going to select over here as Instagram for Business. Event is going to be create story and click on this connect button. Over here you can add a new connection if you want, or select the existing one according to your choice. I'm going to create a new one. Okay. Click on this connect with Instagram for Business, this continue button right over here because this is my Facebook page, and click on this other continue button. And as soon as I'm going to do that, automatically the connection is successfully created. Okay. Firstly, we need to select the account on which we have to create the story. So this is my Instagram account. You can see right over here in the name of Jessie Matthew. So I'm going to select that same account. Story type is image URL. So I'm going to select over here image URL. For the URL, I'm going to map the data of the URL that we have received in this file uploader step and click on this Save and Send Test Request button. As soon as we're going to do that, automatically we will receive a response in which we have received the ID of the story, that is a positive response. Now over here in the important note, it says for publishing a story on Instagram business account is a two-step process. Use the create story to generate a story container ID. Then we have to add a delay to ensure the media is fully processed before publishing, and then use publish video or story action to publish the media on your Instagram account. Okay, so now as we have received this ID successfully, now what we are going to do is firstly we'll add a delay of 2 minutes, because as it is a story, a simple image story, it will only take 2 minutes to be fully processed. So I'm going to add an action step right over here, in which from action application I will add delay by Pabbly, using which we can delay this workflow for the specific time that we want. Okay, for the event I'm going to select as add delay time, click on this connect button, delay 4 minutes, I will select the value as 2, as I want to add a delay for 2 minutes. Okay, click on the save and send test request button. The delay has now been successfully added. Now as we have added this delay right over here successfully, now we are going to publish the story. Okay, as the story might have been uploaded till now. Now let us add that story. I'm going to add an action step, in which from action application again I'm going to select over here as Instagram for business. Event now is going to be publish story. Okay, then click on this connect button. I will select the existing connection, but if you want you can add a new connection according to your requirement. Again we have to select the account, which is Jesse Matthew, and for the ID I'm going to map the data of this ID that I've received in this previous step, and click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I'm going to do that, I have received this other ID that is a positive response. That means now the story is successfully published. Okay, so if I'm going to open my profile and refresh this Instagram profile page from here, you can see automatically a story has been successfully added, and this is the same story you can see right over here that was created as a post on my Facebook page. You can see this is the same image is been added automatically over here as a story on my Instagram profile. Okay, as now this post has been shared as a story on my Instagram profile, this means the connection between Facebook page and Instagram is now been successfully created. Did you see how simple it was to create the connection? So now you can also upload your Facebook page post automatically as your Instagram stories for more engagement in your business. So this is how you build the simple connection between these two applications. If you find any of the questions or doubts while I was creating this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. If you have any of the video ideas that you want us to create a video on, you can add all your ideas in the comment section below. If you want to use this workflow for your business or for your content creation as well, you can find the link of this workflow in the description box below and you can use it yourself. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.